Today's top 25 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Scanning 7.6 petabytes of HuggingFace training data for secrets. Researchers scanned 7.6 petabytes of publicly available AI training data on HuggingFace, uncovering 221,303 unique credentials, including access to sensitive personal information, PII, covering approximately 3.7% of the global population. The scan also revealed cloud storage buckets, hosted databases, and tokens that can push code into widely installed software. Out to sea, Christianson's Nursery in Mount Vernon, Washington. Christianson's Nursery in Mount Vernon, Washington, is a popular destination for locals and tourists alike, featuring beautiful plants, greenhouses, and a gift shop with unique vintage items and handmade goods. The nursery also hosts events like antique fairs and markets, making it an ideal spot for a day trip or special occasion. What is llama meat called? Llama meat is commonly referred to as llama meat, although regional variations may use distinct names for specific cuts. It plays a significant role in the diets of South American communities, particularly in Andean regions, offering a lean and healthy protein source with various nutritional benefits. Meta launches Muse Spark 1.1 with agentic coding and aggressive pricing. Meta launches Muse Spark 1.1, a high-end AI model featuring a 1 million token context window and improved tool usage and reasoning capabilities, rivaling OpenAI and Anthropic models. The API supports external software integrations and complex debugging, with pay-as-you-go pricing starting at $1.25 per million input tokens. Today's NYT Connections hints and answers for July 24, 11:39. Today's NYT Connections puzzle features a challenging purple category requiring creative connections. The completed puzzle includes themes such as talk at length with answers babble, drone, ramble, and yak, and homophones of religious roles with answers canter, canter, friar, friar, llama, llama, and nun, nun. Xi Jinping calls for more open-source AI. China is ready to be more open. Xi Jinping, China's leader, advocated for more open-source artificial intelligence, AI, and global regulation of the technology during a speech at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai. He emphasized the importance of openness, collaboration, and sharing in AI development, highlighting China's willingness to take a more open approach. Running Allama locally with Podman on Fedora Linux. Allama, an open-source framework for running large language models, can now be run locally with Podman on Fedora Linux, allowing users to isolate their AI development environment and keep their host system clean. The setup process involves installing Podman, if necessary, and creating a persistent volume for model weights. Can llamas have twins? Llamas can have twins, but it is an exceptionally rare occurrence due to their reproductive systems designed for single births. The possibility exists, but twin births are often fraught with complications and are not a common phenomenon in llama reproduction. Winamp survived long enough to become something nobody asked for. Winamp, once a popular music player, has transformed into a creator platform for artists and fans. Its legacy, as a simple, fast program playing files off hard drives, has given way to a brand chasing trends it was never built for. This free iOS app uses your AirPods to fix your posture. Posture Pal, a free iOS app, uses AirPods' accelerometer and other sensors to detect user posture and send notifications if slouching occurs, helping improve overall posture and reduce potential health issues. The app offers customization options for sensitivity, alert delay, and sound effects. 70% gains from here? Wall Street pros expect exactly that from Meta in 12 months. Meta Platforms' Q2 earnings missed expectations, with diluted EPS at $6.18 versus consensus of $7.22, and free cash flow collapsing 91%. Despite this, analysts still hold a majority by rating, with an average 12-month price target of $768.58, implying a roughly 31% upside from current levels. Alibaba and Huawei muscle into Singapore's AI market. Sea Lion swaps llama for QN. Alibaba and Huawei have entered Singapore's AI market, replacing llama with QN in a deal that marks their expansion into the Southeast Asia region. Building a Rust inference engine that matches llama, CPP. A Rust inference engine, Ferox, has been built for GGUF models including dense and MOE variants, capable of running on CPU, Apple Metal, or CUDA. The engine does not rely on Llama, CPP, and provides support for various model families, with quantized weights stored on mmap. Book publishers sue Google over AI training, escalating a legal standoff. Major book publishers and authors have filed a class action lawsuit against Google, alleging copyright infringement in training its Gemini AI models using books provided by publishers for Google Books. The suit seeks an injunction and statutory damages on behalf of a proposed class of authors and publishers. Universities would prefer no AI. Universities have largely failed to adopt or develop artificial intelligence, AI, models, with over 90 of notable AI releases in 2025 coming from industry sources. This stagnation has allowed tech companies to dominate the AI frontier, while higher education institutions focus on more traditional concerns. LLM orchestration frameworks compared. LangChain versus Llama Index versus raw API calls. The article compares three approaches to building large language model, LLM applications: LangChain, Llama Index, and raw API calls. Each option solves a different layer of the application stack, with LangChain focusing on memory, Llama Index on retrieval, and raw API calls providing direct access to models. I shopped for school supplies at Walmart and Target. One had better prices for nearly everything on my list. Walmart offered better prices for nearly all school supplies on a shopper's list compared to Target, providing a wider selection of basic items including pens, pencils, notebooks, folders, and backpacks. Target Weekly Ad, 89815. Target offers various promotions and discounts on select products from Procter & Gamble, including rebates of up to $25 on participating items like Tide, Always, and Gillette, as well as deals on Depend adult underwear and Clorox cleaning products. Meta confirms data engineer is behind key IP address in adult film piracy lawsuit. Meta confirmed a key IP address in an adult film piracy lawsuit is traced to a former data engineer's home, while denying responsibility and proposing a de minimis BitTorrent defense. The company's response comes after an amended complaint was filed, alleging Meta downloaded thousands of films for AI training, potentially exposing it to statutory damages of $446 million. 5-letter words ending in A to help you improve your Wordle skills. Here is a concise, factual, and professional news summary. The article provides a list of over 86 5-letter words ending in A to help improve Wordle skills. The rarity of these words makes them valuable for solving puzzles when common endings like Y and E don't fit the solution. Meta launches Muse Code AI coding agent for macOS and Linux. Meta has launched Muse Code, a terminal-based AI coding agent for macOS and Linux, powered by the new Muse Spark 1.2 model. The tool can handle complex software engineering tasks across large repositories, including planning changes, writing code, and validating results. Can a llama and an alpaca mate? A llama and an alpaca can mate, resulting in a hybrid offspring called a Huar-Rizzo. However, interbreeding is relatively rare due to domestication practices that prioritize maintaining the purity of breeds and desired characteristics. Future AGI, open-source platform for shipping self-improving AI agents. Future AGI is an open-source platform for tracing, evaluating, and controlling self-improving AI agents, licensed under Apache 2 and designed to be self-hostable. The platform provides a dashboard on localhost 3000 and supports air-gapped and on-prem deployments without phone home capabilities. A magical ritual keeps a family's past alive in this speculative short story. A magical ritual allows a family's past to be kept alive, as Abulita transfers memories to her granddaughter through a mysterious process, sharing vivid recollections of her childhood and the struggles faced by her family. The story, Waru Waru by Ruth Joffer, explores the power of nostalgia and intergenerational connections in a speculative short story published in Lightspeed magazine. Duck AI by DuckDuckGo Review. Duck AI, launched by DuckDuckGo in early 2025, offers AI chat capabilities without requiring personal data or account creation. The service bundles with VPN and identity protection for $9.99, providing a strong option for those seeking AI-powered conversations while protecting their privacy. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.